So the term in this question that was given was fx is equal to x square minus 4 multiplied by x square minus 9. And initially it could sound different, but it wasn't actually. Can we see that this x square minus 4 can be factorized as x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2? And similarly, this is x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So this was the only requirement. After that, we can clearly draw the sign convention. And so this is minus 3, minus 2, 2 and 3, plus minus, plus minus, plus. So if I draw the graph over here, and if I simply plot these points, minus 3, minus 2, 2 and 3. So in this case, can you see that this would be positive when x is greater than 3? Between 2 to 3 it would be negative. Again between minus 2 to 2 positive, minus 2 to 3 negative, and after that this is again positive. This is the graph of this function. So now the task is to find, so all the zeros were to be told in this case. So the zeros in this case we can see are 2, minus 2, 3 and minus 3. So there are 4 zeros and we have to check further that whether fx is even or odd. So even by the symmetry of the graph, can we see that this is an even function? This is symmetrical about the y-axis. And if you simply find f of minus x in this case, this would give me minus x whole square, which is same as x square. And similarly minus x whole square, which is same as x square. So this is exactly the same as f of x. So since f of minus x is equal to f of x, hence this is an even function. So this is the graph of this function. So the only purpose was this, that this term was given in a different format. Now solve the next one.